Here's some Arena of Nîmes trivia. Subscribe. During which century was this arena constructed? Is it A, 5th century AD, B, 3rd century AD, C, 10th century AD, or D, 1st century AD? The correct answer is D, 1st century AD. What is the designation given to this ancient site in France? Is it A, ancient monument, B, cultural heritage site, C, national historic landmark, or D, UNESCO World Heritage Site? The correct answer is D, UNESCO World Heritage Site. What is a notable feature of the arena's design? Is it A, elliptical shape, B, circular shape, C, triangular shape, or D, square shape? The correct answer is A, elliptical shape. What type of restoration was completed in 1863? Is it A, Reformation, B, industrialization, C, reconstruction, or D, restoration of 1776? The correct answer is C, reconstruction. Which Spanish city is similar to Nîmes in terms of its amphitheater? Is it A, Sevilla, B, Madrid, C, Valencia, or D, Tarragona? The correct answer is D, Tarragona. What is the average length of this structure? Is it A, 100 meters, B, 150 meters, C, 133 meters, or D, 200 meters? The correct answer is C, 133 meters. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.